Hi everybody. So in this session I will make another model which is also an exterior model, and I will just open the UV for that. So let's start. So I will make a model of a dam, and what I will do, I will just go to box, and now I will just select this box and just move it somehow here and somehow here. Okay, I think this would be fine. One more thing I have to do, as you can see, whatever I will click, it's just forming in between the grid. So I will go to create, and here you have the polygon primitives. So there is the interactive creation. I will just check this. Okay, now if you click here, you have to drag this. That would be fine for me right now. So I will just select this part, and we'll just increase the size little bit of it. We'll move it somehow here, select this and just move it, and now right click, face, we'll select this face, extrude, extrude again, extrude this, move it downward and just extrude again. Okay, extrude, just shift it over here. That would be the one pillar, and we'll duplicate the same, but at first I just make the center part. Now what I will do, I will just go to face and just select this face. As you can see, I am just making from this model only. Okay, so one more thing, I should have a proper spacing between them. So just select this part and just move it somehow here. Go to face and just select this face, we'll move it somehow here, no problem, and we'll keep it here. We'll just duplicate the same, and now that's the time to attach some edges. So I just putting some edges here. Okay, and also I need some edges here also, so I just need some edges here. We'll select this face, select this part, move it upward little bit, select this part, move upward little bit. Okay, and now we have to make the rest part. Like, I will just select a box, make a new box, and now we'll go to channel box layer editor, and here we have subdivision width height. So for width I will just press 2. I need 3, I think. Okay, fine, and rest would be okay. Okay, no problem. We'll just decrease the size little bit. We'll just adjust this little bits. At first I have to just place it, and now we'll go to insert edge loop tool, just put some edge here, and only one I required. I just select the face, we'll delete the same, select the face, delete the same, select the face, delete the same. Now you had a blank space, so I'm just off the grid, and edge, double click, select all the edges. Oh, this part also selected, so we have to select it manually. We'll select the 3 of them and just move it somehow here. Okay, now one more thing, right click, vertex, we'll select the vertex and press V for vertex snap, as we have snapped, and just select this vertex, shift select, right click, and here you have merge vertex, merge vertices. Okay, that's the thing has been merged. Click here, Ctrl Z. Okay, like this way you have to just merge the vertex. Same with this one, press V for vertex snap and just select this part, shift by holding right mouse button, merge vertices, merge vertex. V, select, right click, merge vertices, merge vertices, and now the downward part, V. Okay, so we have done this, and now what I will do, one more thing I have to do it. So I will go to the front view. So we have the front view and just on the grid, because we have to see the ground level. As you can see this going down, so we'll select this and just move it here. This would be fine, no problem. Okay, so we'll select this part and we'll select both of them, same we have did it, wireframe on shading, and make sure that you're saving your file. So I will save the file. Okay, so I will just save ext_001. okay, we have saved the file, and now we will go to vertex and just select the vertexes and just move it downward direction, and we'll select this part and just move it downward again. And one more thing we have to do, I think this would be fine, and select both of them, just move it at a grid. Let's have a look. So right now, for quick examine purpose, I just transparent it because I have to see the shape of the box. Okay, right now go to face, select this face, move it here. Okay, we have to decrease the size, no problem, we'll just fix it right now. We'll go to face, select these faces, move it downward the back, and we'll also select these faces, move it here. Okay, fine, I think this would be work, this can be work. That's a very dummy model. After getting your model to be done, then I will add some extra segments because we have to open the UV in very low segment. Then we'll add some extra segment and just do the detailing. So okay, one more thing we have to do, we have to just give some edges here. Go to face, select these faces by shift selecting and move it upward. Okay, fine, object mode. So I will just duplicate this in this part, and after that we'll just duplicate this one also here. Only one time I will duplicate this part here, and we'll duplicate this into all of them. Okay, now as you can see, we have just formed our model, and one more thing we have to do, I'm just on the grid for a while. We'll go to box and just select a box and just make a box, and we'll put this box at the downward region, as you can see here. So right click vertex, because I'm forming a dam, so I need a slope. Okay, object mode, and we have to adjust it here. So again we'll just go to a wireframe on shading, no problem. We'll off the grid, you can say we have to examine carefully. So we'll just put it somewhere here and turn off the grid. Now what I will do, I will just go to vertex and just select this vertex only and just move it somewhere here. Okay, here, this would be fine. That's the slope. Face, select this part, move it down. That would be enough. So now I have to duplicate this also, like this way, Control D, and just select this and move it, Shift D, and we'll duplicate it. Okay, but at first I have to go to the texturing and all and just put some texture, so that we'll just duplicate it. I think this would be fine, and we'll just make a new box. We'll turn on the grid and just make a new box for the boundaries. Okay, vertex, which I can do it in scale mode also, but okay, let's prefer the vertex right now. And one more thing, just move it here, face, select this, move it up, decrease, move it up again, just decrease. Okay, wait, I think here would be fine. Object mode, and right click. Okay, we have to just insert one edge here, somehow here, and go to vertex, select this part, move it here, face, select this part, move it here. Okay, so as you can see, we have just formed this dummy model inside Maya 2018. Now after having unwrapping and after getting textured, I will just add some more segments so that when I press 3 it will not just look like this. Okay, so for that I have to just make some segments at the corners of it, and we'll just copy the same after the texture will be done. Okay, so let's switch to the next session.